Hey! Do you know 7 science experiments you can try at home? Let's find out! Ow! Look at this! Vinegar meets baking soda and boom! Bubbles mean gas is forming. Rub the balloon. Bring it close. Zap! The paper jumps. That's static electricity.
No blowing needed. Vinegar and baking soda make gas, and look, the balloon inflates. Pepper, pepper everywhere. Touch with soap, whoosh, it runs away. That's surface tension.
Sink or float. In plain water, down it goes. Add salt. Wow! It floats.
The candle goes out and the water rises up. That's air pressure. Look, colors are walking. Water climbs the paper, mixes together, and makes new colors. Did you enjoy this? Tap like, subscribe, and share the science fun. See you next time.